Okay, so moving on, the way to actually get the expected output is to use what are called virtual members. A virtual member is a member that can be overridden in child classes, and that is basically the backbone of polymorphism. So remember, right now we're using hiding, but to use a virtual member, we could do this. Not surprisingly, we add the virtual modifier to the base class method. But right here, we'll get the same sort of thing. We'll say it still hides that member. So we actually have to add another modifier to this method in order to get this to work. So if I hit F5, we'll get the same bogus output, even though I did add this virtual keyword. But now what we can do is add the override keyword right here. And now when I hit F5, we get the proper output. And just to make it even more clear, I can say person dash and then employee dash. So we get person dash
Dash.
person dash dash rainbow and employee dash Nelson Lacade. Okay, as of right now, we do get the proper result. We get the result that we expect because we've essentially defined the person template, and we've overridden, or we've created a new template called employee that we've based on the person, but we want to have distinct functionality between both of them. That's very, very, very important to object-oriented programming. Iron Soul, yeah, remove new and add override. Okay.
In fact, if you put the override, I mean, if you take out the virtual, it'll where the override is, it'll tell you.
Yeah, it'll.
Won't it?
No, it'll freak out on this one. It'll say, cannot override inherited member because it's not marked as virtual, abstract, or override.
Oh, it's a resharper thing. Resharper tells you, and obviously fixes it for you.